let's talk about parietal eyes. Parietal eyes are basically a third eye situated on the top of the head of many different types of invertebrates. Now, it's not the same as regular eyes, it's not even really a true eye, it's just a light sensing organ. So it doesn't form images and it doesn't use rods and cones like regular eyes that other vertebrates have. Instead, it's just a simple light sensing organ. Now, I think this is a tuatara. You can see it right up here. That is the parietal eye. It's actually decently common in many different types of vertebrates, pretty much excluding birds, snakes, and mammals. Pretty much everything else, at least one species has it. There's been species of frogs, newts, and salamanders that have it. Again, the tuatara. Most species of lizards actually have the parietal eye, as well as fish, sharks, all of that. So really, birds, snakes, and mammals, we're the odd ones out because we don't actually have a third eye. Now, like I mentioned before, this is a just light sensing organ, so it helps with regulating the circadian rhythm. Additionally, it also helps with thermoregulation and detection of predators. The parietal eye is also sometimes called the pineal eye because it does connect to the pineal lobe in the brain instead of the optic lobe. It also doesn't have like an eyelid or eyelashes or anything, or most of the typical eye structures like a lens, retina, pupil. It really is just a very simple, basically patch of light sensitive cells. It is covered by a layer of skin, so it doesn't get damaged or anything like that, but it really is not a true eye. It's not capable of detecting images or differentiating colors. It is only really good for sensing changes in light intensity. It can also help with detecting predators since it's situated at the top of the head instead of in front like many eyes or even to the side. If a predator is over top of the animal with the third eye, then the shadow of the predator may fall over top of the, for example, frog, and the third eye will detect the change in light intensity, alerting the frog that there is a predator nearby. So if you've ever struggled to catch a lizard or frog or something, it may be your own shadow giving you away via the parietal eye. What's really interesting is that fossil evidence shows that our direct ancestors, the direct ancestors of all mammals, the therapsids, actually did have third eyes. Right up here, it shows that we, as mammals, have secondarily lost the third eyes, and our ancestors had them, but we don't, so it means that somewhere between therapsid and mammals, the third eyes have evolved out of our lineage.